So these are all actual values, key on, engine off at the moment. Module supply voltage is a little bit low in my opinion. Try cranking it again. Engine RPM, I could be mistaken. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's supposed to be closer to 200 for the truck to actually fire. There again, the batteries are really low right now. 10.5 volts. Just crank it once more and watch mass airflow sensor values. So everything's reading as it should.